Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we will show you how to remove or how to replace intercooler on Mazda CX-7. Stay with us, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Quite a few videos on this car. Since we're doing engine replacement, please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together and see you next time. So we will need a flathead screwdriver, okay? And you can see you can pry those, okay, the middle part out, okay? And then you can get a prying tool or pliers and pull it out. Okay, this one here is exactly the same way, two of them. Some models might have different ones, people break them and then install different ones too, so you never know what kind of clips you get. Next, you need to lift it up, and once you lift it up, you need to pull from the back to the front. Okay, those are the two glides right here that it goes to. That's the engine cover right here, guys. And you can see it's really good to clean your intercooler once in a while. You can see those leaves there. It will make it pretty inefficient, so make sure you clean it once in a while there. So once you remove the top engine cover, you can get to the intercooler right here, you can see. So with the 10mm, we're going to get that hose loose on the bottom there. You can see the clamp got loose and the one right there. Okay, so those are out of the way now. Also, we'll need to go ahead and disconnect that little one here as well with pliers. You won't be able to do it by hand. Okay, the one right here, and now you pull it out. Also, we have another one right there, that clamp, that we'll need to use bigger pliers for it. Those won't work. Okay, so we can get that clamp out of the way and remove the hose as well. So we can just push it out of there. Sometimes they tend to get stuck, but usually they'll come off easy. Okay, like this one, it started sliding already. So if you grab it with your fingers, you should be able to slide it out. Almost. Okay, right there, that's it. It's out of the way. Now we need to get a 12mm socket, and we will have 3 nuts that we need to remove. One here, one there, and one in the back in the corner. And this one is pretty tight, since the little impact cannot even take it. I don't know if it should be that tight. It has rubber bushings on the bottom, so it doesn't vibrate. Okay, and there is one towards the back right here. Okay, let me show you where exactly it is. And this one is actually missing on this one. They didn't install it. It's right here. So we need to go ahead and remove these 2 nuts, since the one on the back is already missing. Whoever worked on this one didn't do the best job before. Okay, and now we can grab the intercooler. Okay, and make sure that it comes out of the hose, the intake hose, and the other hose there as well. Okay, just like that. Okay, and it comes out of there. So that's how you guys remove the intercooler on Mazda CX-7. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.